right, guys, let's have a good day. Let's knock these cars out. We got about 30 cars outside. We're a little short-handed. Marcelo's sold out, as you guys know. So I need you guys to step it up. Get shit going, all right? Eitan, $100 if you open this can. Eitan's my cousin. We need some extra hands around the shop. We call him in. He comes through, lays some solid welds, but still, he's my cousin. Gotta check him sometimes. Eitan, you Jewish American princess. Let's go, bro. We got cars outside. You're not gonna help Berto, bro? You're on your phone trying to cop sneakers every Saturday at the same time.
I'm Joe. I'm getting a MUFFYD on my 2019 BMW X6M.
These X6Ms get pretty aggressive. Basically straight piped, ran the MUFFYD special on there. You'd be surprised how this thing sounds. Fuck you, Eitan.
That was good. That was...
For the X6M, we're gonna slap on some 3.5-inch gloss carbon fiber tips. Looks super clean. You guys are gonna love it. Fire it up, Mike. Bro. Nasty, bro.
Very happy with the BMW. It sounds crazy. It sounds how it should sound, muscular. Very happy with what you guys do here, G. The whole team, you guys do a great job. Thank you.
What the hell was that, dude? You didn't open anything. You broke it. You failed. All right. You blow this up, bro. I'll give you the $100 and you keep your job, all right? Got this huge 5-foot beach ball. Let's see how far we can hit this thing with a car.
That ball in the goal over there. We're gonna make that little overhang thing in the goal. Need to get it in there.